By the year 2050, nearly 70% of the world's population will live in cities, a number that almost doubles the current amount. This represents an enormous population shift that is already underway in much of the world. And it creates tremendous demand for resources like copper, coal, iron ore, and bauxite. Before these minerals and materials can be put to work, though, they must first be mined. And that means opportunity for the world's leading mining equipment manufacturer, Caterpillar.
Well, the mining industry at Caterpillar has been a huge set of customers for us for many years, for decades. We've got one of our big 8 imperatives, in fact, around growing the mining business, to really go after the mining industry in a big way so that when miners think about suppliers, we're it.
Caterpillar really took a long, hard look at the growth that's going to be in the mining industry, not for the next 2 to 3 years, but for the next 10 to 20 to 25 years. And it's just a very, very attractive industry for Caterpillar to be in.
We've got capacity expansions going on in virtually every facility where we're providing mining equipment today. We're extending our geographic reach around the world to where those mines and miners are. We want to be a very strong supplier for all their needs, whether it's above ground in open pits or below ground in underground mining.
In November of 2010, Caterpillar announced its intentions to purchase Bucyrus International, another leading mining equipment provider. As a result, Caterpillar is now better positioned to serve its mining customers with more products, more solutions, and more experienced people on location, all over the world. In the early days of its acquisition of Bucyrus, Caterpillar discovered a company that shares many of its own characteristics and values. They even share similar histories, having worked side by side on mine sites all over the world for nearly 100 years. Both companies are headquartered in the same region of the American Midwest, and both are known for the exceptional quality and durability of their product lines, which also match up well with little duplication or crossover. Both share a commitment to creating a collaborative and safe working environment for employees and minimizing environmental impact. But the most compelling similarity discovered was the common focus both Caterpillar and Bucyrus share: their commitment to the mining customer.
We've been asked by a lot of customers, how does this help me? And what we've talked to them about is the fact that we can provide a one-stop shop, so it ties in very closely with what our mining customers want. Fewer, more strategic and larger suppliers to help them be successful.
Mining is a great industry, and you have 2 great companies in mining, and they're coming together. That's very, very exciting. Combining surface mining, underground mining, and getting an entire mining portfolio that's excellent for our customers. In essence, we can give them the entire package.
Clearly, the last 3 to 4 years, customers have been saying you need to add drills, you need to add shovels, you need to add various products, and they like buying from Caterpillar, and they want more from us. So we'll be able to go to that customer with a menu of options which should make his life much easier. If you look at a mine today, you see a lot of Caterpillar dozers, you see a lot of Caterpillar loaders, you see motor graders, you see big trucks. But now, when you look at that mine, you're going to see Caterpillar drills. You're going to see rope shovels by Caterpillar. You're going to see locomotives. You're going to see drag lines. You're going to see MineStar products. You're going to see all kinds of things that make up that whole solution in a mine site. And that is probably the most exciting part of this. The combined strength of Bucyrus and Caterpillar to a customer is really going to get down to how well they're covered by people that know what they're doing and can provide solutions. Having the best people of both worlds with a worldwide experience across the globe, together we have a combined knowledge base now that's really unmatched.
In the end, the people are going to be the critical component of this transaction. We have employees that have been with the company for decades. They've gone through a lot, they've learned a lot, and they have a lot of experience when it comes to mining. These products are complicated, and you want to know that you're dealing with people that understand what this is all about. And I think Bucyrus definitely brings that to the mix.
I was able to travel to almost every Bucyrus manufacturing plant around the world in 1 week, and I met many, many people. And what I found from the Bucyrus people is that, first of all, they're just like Caterpillar people. They're very friendly, they're very positive, they're very professional, and what they want are the same things that we want at Caterpillar.
These two companies, having the longevity that they've had, what's the one common element of that? Well, it's people. It's people who got us here the first 100 years, and it's people who are going to take us to the next 100 years.
We wanted this to be a global mining business, and it's a single team, a single business focused on the customer.
In the mining industry, time is money, and it's usually 24/7 around the world. Caterpillar serves that industry well, and wherever there's mining, we're there. What's the reason we're there? It's through our dealer network.
Our dealers are the best, not only in the industries that we compete in, but the Caterpillar Global Dealer Network is a role model for other companies in all kinds of industries. And what we want to do is leverage that strength and leverage that capability to help our customers be more successful.
Well, the dealer network that Caterpillar has is very, very large. That network is in place, they're local, they know the customers, they're strong businesses within themselves. Now paired with our product offerings, it's going to be a great match. It's going to be extremely positive for our customers.
Our dealers are everywhere, and our mining opportunities are all over the world. So right now, wherever there's a new mine going in, we have a dealer ready to service that customer with parts on the ground. We have a footprint wherever there's mining all around the world through our dealer network and through our employees.
Caterpillar's acquisition of Bucyrus is now complete. But the work of integrating these two global manufacturing icons has only just begun.
The single biggest challenge we have right now that we're working day and night on is to make sure that our customers don't see any hiccup. So we have to be very seamless and transparent as we go forward. That's the biggest thing we're doing right now to make sure that they're happy.
We're trying to set up the organization and the teams small enough, focused enough to be agile and to be fast.
But there's still work to do. We have different systems. We have to integrate our parts network. We have to really talk. We have cultures to come together. But Caterpillar has always stepped up to the challenge. Bucyrus has always stepped up to this challenge. What we both have done is made a commitment that we're going to make this the greatest company in the world.
Wherever there's mining in the world, we're going to be there with more solutions, more options, more coverage, more people, and more of the value prop that customers pay us for every day.
Wherever there's mining,
our people will be there. Wherever there's mining, our product support will be there.
In any part of the world, whether
It's above ground in open pits or below ground in underground mining.
Caterpillar will be there with our mining
Customers to develop the products that they want.
we can give them the entire package.
with more solutions, more options, more coverage,
24-hour service, 7 days a week, that's what we do, that's in our DNA.
everywhere they need us to be.
Wherever there's mining, we're there.